Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another college week of my life. This is a busy week. It is the week before fall break, so our fall break is just Monday and Tuesday. So I have that, and I have a few tests this week. I have a bio test, and then I have a microeconomics test tomorrow, so I really need to study for that today. It's like 11 something right now. I've just been up like chatting with people, eating some food. I'm trying to eat healthier this week, which is going to be hard because I literally have plans to eat out with a ton of people this week, but we're gonna try to be healthier. You know, I just feel like I need to, and I really have not been putting that as a priority, and I've gained weight, which is like okay, but right now I think I'm going to clean my room and unpack my suitcase because I came back home from out of town like yesterday and I haven't unpacked yet. If you guys are like, why were you out of town? Go check out my last video. I explained it all, and I don't feel like explaining it again. This week I have a ton of little errands that I need to run. Always have my to-do list for the week. I have this weekly to-do list and I fill it out, as you guys see, probably every Monday. When I was on the airplane, I kind of wrote in my phone because I didn't have this with me. I wrote some things that I needed to do. Most of the stuff I'm literally just going to push off until tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to have a lot of things to do. Today I really need to study. Angle you down. Oh no. Now we're going to time lapse it. I do have a lot of stuff going on Tuesday. I literally couldn't even fit it in here. The other days are pretty empty, but I do know that I need to fill them with like school stuff. This is everything I need to do besides school stuff, and then this is what I'm planning on doing for fall break. Like I said, our fall break is 2 days, so I just thought it'd be nice because I'm not going anywhere to just kind of like catch up on some things, to get a massage, and to wash my sheets, and to clean my room. Oh, I should put wash towels. There is a review session for the test that I'm taking tomorrow, but if I wanted to go, I would have had to leave like 5 minutes ago. Guess I'm not going. But I heard that it's not that helpful, so I'm kind of hoping that's true. I also need to book this massage. I think I may study first and then book it.
That did send me some concept that you were concerned about. Multiple choice questions in terms of in-class sessions. This is gonna be technology input for your computer. That means that
I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I was studying. I'm 11 minutes in of the hour-long video that I'm studying for, and all I could think about is my card. My student ID is also a debit card, and I haven't spent money on it ever. And I got this thing in the mail like 2 weeks ago saying if I don't spend money on it, they're gonna like cancel my card. I'm gonna lose the money that's in it. And so that's all I could think about. And so the entire time I was studying, I was like, what can I spend money on? So I just bought a new phone case because mine's ripping. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but I kind of look like a man right now. Oh. I have an attention span the size of a peanut. So right now I'm just doing my promo for my video, and then, oh, I guess I didn't save it. I definitely saved it. What is going on? I feel like I work a lot, but it's always like broken up into like small little chunks. Like it'll be like an hour here, 10 minutes here, 3 hours here, 30 minutes here, and it's never like hours all at one time. But I feel like I do work like, okay, I'm just so, what is going on? Hello. Oh, you guys should follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I post pictures of golden retrievers on my story all the time, and everyone says they really love it. So you guys, if you're not following me, you should. Hello. Try to change the angle up a little bit. 2:45-ish. I have not studied for a really long time. I did 11 minutes of the 1 hour video, and then I just got bored, and so I've been trying to procrastinate by doing productive things like eating. And then I went to the UPS store, which is really far away, and I'm really upset because I had 7 packages to pick up and they only gave me 5, so I'm very upset. But I'll show you guys a haul. A lot of the stuff that I got is for Big Little or for gifts for people, so I'll show you what's not for Big Little and that's not gifts. I got this wig. The hair's in my eyes. We have a wig date party, so I got this one on Amazon. It was really good. Like, I actually really like it. I kind of want to cut my hair. Everything else was gifts besides these shorts. I ordered a bunch of stuff from One-Way because I really need clothes and I didn't have the money to go to random stores, so I just ordered a bunch of stuff. This was the only thing that shipped me. I ordered a bunch of stuff and this shipped alone. I accidentally put the wrong number on shipping, like my wrong like UPS unit thing, PO box, so I'm kind of nervous that they're gonna get mad at me. I still have not studied. I look like a freaking mess. I'm getting ready for formal chapter. This is not like me. Normally I'm like an extreme study. This is just too, right? Okay. Normally I study a ton. I study like 40 hours for one test. Like I do so much. I'm kind of okay with the fact that I'm not studying as hard because I'm trying to find a balance of like school, social life, professional life, all that stuff. I've had a really good day today and I've done a lot of things. So I'm kind of okay with it. I'm gonna study, of course, after I get back from chapter, but I think I'm going to be okay. I'm not stressing myself out as much. I got this new thing from Benefit and I thought that I would show you guys. So Benefit sent me this new product. This is not sponsored. I was just curious of trying it out. This is the brow styler and I have the shade, no idea what shade. Oh, 3. So this side is a pencil and then the other side is powder, but it's a little bit different. It's like, it looks like that. We'll see how I like it. Normally I use the Cub Brow. It literally is a powder. I thought it would feel like creamier. Oh, a lot of product comes out though. More natural. I feel like you would fill in with the pencil and then do this like over top if you wanted something. It kind of makes my eyebrows look like bushy and hairy. Is it normally the look I like to go for? I like for them to be like a little bit sharper. I don't think my eyebrows look good today. They look very dark too. Like it makes my eyebrows look like bigger than they are. All the leftovers from chapter that we have, all the people bringing us food. So much stuff. Ooh. Ew. Hello, happy Tuesday. I got back, oh my gosh, the chair is so cold. Now I'm choked. I got back from my economics exam and then I'm getting ready right now because I have my statistics class and then after that I am meeting a new member of my sorority for coffee and she seems really sweet and I don't want to look like a freaking egg, so I thought I'll get ready. And plus I have a birthday party to go to tonight, so I might as well get ready now. Okay, this is like too much. It's like choking me, but I'm also freezing cold. But yeah, lots of fun, exciting stuff today. I don't know what else I'm gonna say. I ate a lot of donuts today. I always plan on eating healthy and then there's just junk food that like just shows up and I'm like, how am I supposed to not eat it, you know? Like if it's there I might as well. We don't want to waste it. It's just like me trying to justify eating like 13 donuts. So I was getting ready and I was doing my eyebrow and I was noticing like the little gel stuff, or not gel stuff, like the pomade was like shaking. But also like look how much product that is. Like that's a lot. I've been really into like the low bun thing recently, but I feel like right now I kind of look like an egg. Oh, I do look very eggy. Here's my outfit of the day. Don't judge me, I'm very bloated, but like this is from Forever 21 and the, oh gosh, whoa, look how bloated I am. Oh my god. Hello. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. Just had coffee with one of the new members. I don't like putting people in my vlogs that I don't hang out with the time because I don't want to make them feel uncomfortable or like I'm using them to make it look like I have friends, you know? So it was really fun. She was super sweet, but yeah, I didn't vlog it because I didn't want to make her uncomfortable. We have ritual practice tonight and then right after is the birthday party, so I basically need to be like ready besides my outfit because I'm gonna change. So I don't want to go to ritual practice in like party clothes. My hair is like kind of wavy. Does it look like I curled it? Good morning, happy Wednesday. I'm in my car right now. I have some errands that I'm planning on running. I have some packages I need to pick up. I need to pick up a prescription and I need to get a birthday gift for a friend. So we're doing that really quickly. I did some homework earlier today and then I'm gonna go back and do some more homework. But another update, so I just got my packages and on Sunday I ordered a suitcase because I've had my suitcase. I got it from Target in elementary school and it broke a couple years ago and I just still use it. So I got a new one from Away and I like bought it with my money. It came really fast. And then I also got other packages. My boobs are sweating. I like want to unbox it all, but I'm like, is this for Big Little stuff? Like, okay, yeah, this is from Big Little stuff. I'm assuming this is the phone case. This is open. Okay, now we're gonna go to CVS. This always happens, but happy Thursday. Yesterday was so weird because, wait, I need to put chapstick on. My lips are so chapped right now. A lot of the times when I forget to vlog, it's either because I'm so busy I don't have time to, or I am so bored and I have absolutely nothing to do that it's not exciting enough to vlog, so I don't. And yesterday was both of those. Earlier in the day, it was so freaking boring. There was nothing going on. It was not exciting at all. And then at night, it was like too much going on. There was a social, I got dinner with some friends, and then we like hung out and like did all this stuff, and it was just like a lot. And it was just so much going on that I kind of forgot to vlog. I'm sorry about that. Right now it's 3 o'clock. I have my class. I put in my preferences for who I want my littles to be. That was pretty much the most exciting thing today. I'm going out to coffee with a new member just so we can meet and hang out. That will be fun. And then right after I have my sexual violence prevention and leadership development class. It's not like for a grade or anything, it's just like a class you can take to like learn more about that stuff. I also have a bio test that's online that I need to take sometime this week. I keep meaning to take it and then I get really busy and forget to. Today was my last class and then tomorrow is when fall break starts. So I'm really excited. I'm not going anywhere. Like, when do I ever? But I'm probably just gonna put together my big little baskets, which I will show you guys. I'll do a video on it, don't worry, so it's okay. Someone stole my leftover Olive Garden. Got Olive Garden last night and someone stole my leftovers and I'm really angry about it. I'm just did my makeup and I didn't do mascara and I kind of like this look. If you guys didn't know, my mom got married last weekend and her new husband sent me these pretty flowers yesterday and I thought I'd show them. They're pretty. Oh, someone just slammed the door. Outfit of the day. These leggings are from Old Navy and this shirt is from Loft. They're like navy, but you can't really see, and they have pockets.
That one was really concerning.
It's a huge pancake. I'm taking it. Do you want to be in it?
No, it's okay.
Okay, I won't show you. Do you want to be in the video?
Sure. I mean, I don't really care.
Oh! What? Is it hot?
Yeah.
What just happened?
I hurt my hand. Oh no. On the pancake? Yeah.
You heard it on a pancake.
I picked it up. Wait, look at how pretty it is.
Look at all the bubbles. It's kind of like bubble wrap, but not as much.
See, the pan's getting too hot, so it's like...
How are you gonna flip it? It's too big of a pancake.
Wait,
do you need two? You are not.
No, it's too hot.
I was like, how is that possible? Oh, oh. Oh, that was good.
It looks really pretty too.
I'm gonna eat that. Happy Friday. 12 right now. Eating some cuties. Today is my last day before fall break. I don't have any classes today, but I do have an online test that I need to take that I've just been like procrastinating constantly. And I have plans to hang out with someone at 12:30 and like in 30 minutes. And we haven't really like texted about it. So like, I don't know if it's fallen through. Like, did we forget about it? Because I want to hang out, but I also have a lot to do. So if we forgot, like if we don't, I'm not like super upset because I'm kind of busy. But I was planning on having this weekend be like super chill and fun and just like get stuff done and just relax and take time for me. Because you know I need that every once in a while and I'm completely busy, so that's gonna be super fun. Worthwhile. A lot of people just smiling, but the orange tasted kind of weird. One time I ate an orange and I swear to God it tasted like a McDonald's cheeseburger with ketchup. Like, I swear it did. And I don't like ketchup, so normally I would have been down for it, but like, it's the weirdest experience of my life.
Oh, sorry.
No, I don't care. So you can say hi to it. I say hi. Spooky room. Oh, I need to fix my bed. Spooky room tour. I have a spooky blanket, but I left it at home. So here's my bat wall. I always do this every year. I have this. That's a mess. I did that to the door. And then I did this to my roommate's side. She told me I was allowed to, so it's okay. They kind of look like clouds, but whatever. I did that. And then there's little pumpkins at the bottom. And that's my spooky room tour. Currently, I am creating big little baskets. Well, not really creating them, but I'm planning them out. And I've done this before, and I normally just take them apart, but I like to have like different options of things. By the time you guys are seeing this, I already will have, I'm pretty sure I will have known who it is, and I think I already know who it is. Hey, if they're watching this. Anyways, I like to plan it out and everything. I'm such a planner, and I have really nothing going on right now. I was supposed to go to the gym with my friend, and then my friend, I think, pretty much forgot about it. I had to make these boxes, like actually build them, and I built both of them wrong. So I built them and had to undo it and then so like, how many times did I do that? Like 3 times each, so 6. That's not, yeah. Anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. I would totally show you guys them. I think they look pretty cute. I don't want to show you guys just in case, just so it can be a surprise, but it definitely won't be a surprise because they already know it's gonna be me. We're in Michael's right now and I'm trying to decide which canvases I want for Big Little. There's so many different sizes and these are a great deal. That's not what I thought it was. I'm so sorry. I just vlogged someone and I thought it was my friends and it's not. I'm mortified. That's cute. Oh, that's fun.
I feel like it's like, am I allowed to say their names?
Well, I mean, this is going up on Monday.
I feel like it's like one of them.
Okay, I'm currently looking at paint, which is a lot more expensive than I thought would be. And all the colors I assumed they would have, they don't. I don't know. I'll blur it out in the video so they won't see it. Ow, ow.
I literally don't care.
They already know they're getting you. I want to show you guys what I'm getting, but I can't because I don't want people who are getting my littles to see it. But I'm getting good stuff. I'm looking for a certain thing right now that I can't say out loud. Wait, let's see if she comes by. I mean, I am. Are you surprised? No?